there, it's Charlene Hall, your East Texas realtor, and oh my goodness, what a gorgeous day today is. We've had some cold weather and today is 80 and it's perfect. Right now I'm actually sitting underneath a front porch pergola of this new listing of mine, and it is, as I'm sitting here, I can actually see Lake Palestine right through there, and right over here just from the front patio of this gorgeous home. It's only 2 years old. It's in East Texas, in Frankston, Texas, in a absolutely beautiful, quaint neighborhood. There's so many different features to show you in this home, and I really can't wait to do it. So I think let's go ahead and show you inside, and then I will meet you out by the beautiful pool in the backyard. I'll see you in a minute. Well, I told you, it's pretty perfect, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous home. There is 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. It's like 2204 is the square foot. Like I said, and it's pretty much brand new. It's only 2 years old, so this is quite a find. Look at this gorgeous backyard. I know you probably saw it in the video, but isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? It's a saltwater pool that is extremely low maintenance. The system that they bought, it actually checks the pH balance and such for them, so you don't have to do that. You're not constantly a slave to your pool. It has a self-cleaning system on it also, so you get the best of both worlds with this. A beautiful pool that you don't have to do a lot of maintenance to, so that's awesome. This is just, it's everything you can want, because you've got the lake view You've got in a lake community. There is a boat launch in this community. And with this gorgeous saltwater pool behind it, you have this oasis in your own backyard, and that's exactly what you could call it, your backyard. If you want more information about this listing, just give me a call. You guys have my information, or send me a message. I'd love to get it out there to you and tell you a lot more about this home, because there are so many features that I just couldn't go through all of them on this video. So I do thank you so much for watching till the end, and you guys have a great day. I appreciate it. It's Charlene Hall, your East Texas Realtor. Bye-bye.